The average person forgets 90% of a book within a week. Here's a reading journal system that turns books into permanent knowledge. Writing reinforces memory. You retain 50% more when you write it down. Forces active reading versus passive reading. You're looking for things to capture. Creates a personal reference library. Find key insights years later. 1. One-sentence summary of the book's core idea. 2. Top 3 insights you tell a friend. 3. One action you'll take from this book. 4. Best quote from the book. Use sticky tabs to mark pages worth returning to. Write notes in margins or on a sticky note in the book. After finishing chapter, write summary in 2 to 3 sentences. Keep a list of books you've read with your one-sentence summary. Review your reading journal quarterly. Mine old insights. Challenge. Read one personal finance book per month for a year. Get my reading journal at https://www.etsy.com/shop/MoFlowCo. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.